Hi, I'm Vivek and I'm 28 and I live with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. For my game controller setups over the years, I've gone through many iterations, many problems that I kind of try and find a solution myself. But a lot of the time now, I'm running out of solutions, so I use quite a few switches, one on my head, so I can get around the problem with kind of pressing those buttons. So there are a lot of kind of awkward things that need changing, which is difficult kind of to figure out yourself. You need a lot more, I'd say, expertise.
Okay, I did some collaboration with Sugru and Vivek, and this is the controller modification he would like me to attempt. I bet I'd be pretty good at that operation game now. Oh yeah, I mean, we'd have to make some adapters, but I know we could use Sugru. Nice. Fresh Sugru. Wow, it looks like a museum piece, complete with cool stand. But of course, that stand is there for a reason. Well, looks like it's pretty much done. I think we can send this off to Vivek and see if it helps him play video games.
I think one of the most important things I found with this is kind of actually having a stand that holds a controller, because I never really realized how tiring holding it was, so I think it will help me a lot. I'm just amazed that he was able to kind of help me kind of access gaming again, because gaming was such a big part of my life, and now that Ben has kind of made this, I call it like a miracle control, because especially for me, and I just really want to kind of thank him for kind of doing this for me. Without Ben, I wouldn't be kind of able to be doing this video explaining how kind of amazing his work is. So I just want to show my gratitude really, because he really, and he has changed my life for the better.